Perched atop a scenic hill, this beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and natural beauty. Set on 3.5 private acres with rare river frontage, this property provides sweeping views of the surrounding landscape, including tranquil water and rolling hills. Inside, the home has been thoughtfully updated with brand new windows and doors, filling each room with natural light and enhancing energy efficiency. New flooring runs throughout the house, adding warmth and style to every space. The spacious living area flows into a completely renovated kitchen featuring elegant new cabinets, updated countertops, and a full suite of modern appliances, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The bedrooms are generously sized, with ample closet space, while both bathrooms have been refreshed to offer comfort and convenience. Outside, a large covered concrete patio invites you to relax or entertain while enjoying the peaceful surroundings and breathtaking views. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee watching the